Hi guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to install Kali Linux on your PC. To get started we would need VirtualBox. As you guys can see, you can go to WWE. Where did that come from? So you can go to www.virtualbox.org and then you can click on downloads, and if you have like a Windows platform, then you can click on the Windows host. If you have like a Linux computer, then you can click on the Linux distribution. So in this case I have a Windows platform, so I'll be clicking that one. And after you have VirtualBox installed, you can stay here, and then you would need Kali Linux. So to get to Kali Linux, you can go to kali.org and click on downloads. Scroll all the way down, and then as you guys can see, it says Kali Linux 32-bit PAE VirtualBox. So if you have like a 32-bit computer, then you can click on that one. And if you have like a 64-bit computer, then you can click on that one. So now you can scroll all the way down. Here it says Kali Linux VirtualBox images. You'll be clicking that one. And as you guys can see, the download is in a torrent file. To download the torrent file, you can use a BitTorrent client. So I'm going to be using QBitTorrent. As you guys can see, I've already installed Kali Linux. So it's 100% done. It's 3.06 gigabytes. It's pretty large. So to import that to VirtualBox, you can click on the import icon and then click on the folder icon, file icon, and then go to where you save your download. Click on next, and as you guys can see, the settings are all set up for you. They're automatic. You don't need to change anything, but you can change the name to whatever you want. Kali machine or something. Machine, okay, whatever. So you can click on import, and then you'll get a virtual machine like this one. You can start it. May take a few minutes. And here is Kali Linux. Well, not yet. Yeah, there is Kali Linux. And come up. Okay. There's a cool Kali Linux logo. And it'll be asking you for the username and password. So Kali is the username and password for both of them. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.